so welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make 3-ingredient chocolate ice cream. Very easy and quick recipes. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken 2 bourbon biscuit packs, each weighing 100 grams. Break them into 2 halves and add it to a blender. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar and blend it to a very fine powder. Then goes in half cup of milk, blend again. I've taken a container, add the blend mixture to the container. Close the container with a lid. Freeze it for an hour. It's been an hour now, so let's open and check. The ice cream has started to set. At this stage, transfer the content again to the blender and blend for 30 seconds. It's just to make sure the ice cream is nice and creamy. Transfer the ice cream to required molds. Wrap it with a cling wrap and freeze for 8 hours or overnight. It's been 8 hours now, so let's open the cling wrap. Our ice cream is perfectly set. Very delicious and easy recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.